This is the ESAB MIG 350, the body series. It's a very robust and powerful MIG welder. Easy to use control panel for quick setup. It's a very compact and lightweight with a wire feeder. You can extend up to 12 feet for the wire feeder. And it has an auto mode and a manual mode. Stepless inductance. As you can see here, we have it's a run in digital mode. There's a gas and output here. Then you have a manual and auto function. Then here's the amp, the voltage, and the speed you can control through the wire feeder. You can weld up to 1.6 mm in wire diameter size. This is the setup for the ESAB body 350. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to weld this. I'm setting it to manual mode. As you can see, the arc is really good, and it can really penetrate the steel properly. ESAB is well known for their MIG welders. It's really smooth. Its consistency. Now I'm going to demonstrate to you how to weld the auto mode. This is the auto MIG welder. You can set up, just release the handle. Press once more to stop the function. There you go.